The idea of making money from a website sounds unrealistic to most people. While they love the concept, really, who doesn't? They can't figure out how to get started. Well, in this video, we'll show you how to make the dream of using your website to make money a reality. Let's take a look at how you can convert a website into a money-making machine. Number 1. Zero in on a monetization strategy. When it comes to making money with websites, we recommend implementing a variety of strategies. After all, it's unwise to put all your eggs in one basket. You don't have to implement all the strategies we discussed below. Pick whatever you think will work best for you. E-commerce. The most popular way to make money from a website is through selling products and services online. Here you launch an e-commerce store, add products or services you want to sell, and then market your offerings to your target audience. This also includes managing inventory, customer relationships, shipping, and returns, among several other things. Opening up an e-commerce store is exactly super easy and requires ongoing work and marketing to make it successful. If you're serious about launching an online store, we highly recommend Shopify. In addition to being a website builder, they also offer an integrated payment processor and several other solutions to simplify e-commerce. Advertisements. Selling ad space on your website is another popular way to make money online. You can join an advertising network like Google AdSense to get started. Not only do these tools give you complete control over where the advertisements will appear on your site, but you can also select the type of ads to be displayed on it. You earn money from the number of clicks, views, actions, and conversions you receive and generate from the ads. Naturally, this strategy is better for established websites that experience higher traffic volumes. But even newer sites can put ads up before growing and scaling. Selling digital products or services. From ebooks to online courses to consultations or coaching services, there are tons of products and services options that you can sell from your website. Moreover, the overhead for this strategy is considerably lower than running a full-fledged e-commerce shop, so that's another plus. You can monetize ongoing services, one-off downloads, or both. For example, if you're a business coach, you can charge a monthly fee to access gated content or offer an ebook for single downloads. Just make sure the content you offer for sale is high quality and adds value to your customers. Number 2. Sort out the website basics. Remember the investment breakdown we mentioned? You need to sign up for them all to launch a website. We highly recommend signing up with Wix, which is one of the best website builders on the market today. With its drag and drop interface, you can customize the look and feel of your site without having to write a single line of code. Also, Wix comes with built-in web hosting and gives all users a free domain for 1 year. After the first year, you'll need to pay annual renewal fees. Wix also includes top-of-the-line security and reliability measures, such as secure payment gateways for e-commerce sites, TLS 1.3 encryption, automated and redundant site data backups, and 24/7 monitoring and optimization by the professionals at Wix. If you don't want to use Wix and the built-in hosting, you can sign up with an independent web hosting like Bluehost and launch a website on WordPress. Not only is this hosting service cheap, but it also offers a free domain for the first year. To sum up, you'll need web hosting, a domain name, and a website building platform. The good news is that none of those 3 things will take long, and you can start working on your website very quickly. Number 3. Identify your niche and target market. Catering to anyone and everyone isn't going to get you anywhere. Instead, you need to produce customized products, services, or content that appeals to your target audience. But how do you pick your target market? The definition of a target market is the specific group of people your products or services appeal to. So your niche is the industry or field your website focuses on, and your target market is the people you want to sell to. Here are a few factors to keep in mind to narrow down your niche and target audience. The need you're filling or pain point you solve. Specific demographics of your target audience, customer persona, where and how they search and shop, geographic locations, income levels. Imagine you have an affiliate marketing website that sells vintage and expensive home decoration products. Your target audience in this case will be homeowners with a high income level that live in the area you ship to. Additionally, you don't want to mix niches. A lifestyle blog will be very different from a digital marketing blog, and so will its target audience. Pick a niche and stick to it. Based on that, establish a brand image and brand voice to create a loyal customer and visitor base. Number 4. Add pages to your website. At this stage, you have a plan, a website, and know your target audience. However, you can't expect to earn money from a blank slate with no web pages. Therefore, your next step should be to create relevant content and add different pages to your site. Content creation is an ongoing process where you learn something new every day. Results take time, but you're sure to see them if you stay consistent and keep applying best practices. The first thing you want to work on is the navigatability of your website. This includes having an SEO-friendly site structure and then working on specific pages. But starting with the site structure is critical, that is, the menus and various pages you want for your website, and decide how users will navigate each. For example, you may have a menu at the top of your site, in a sidebar or in the footer where visitors can click to see your shop, about page, contact form, blog, and more. Next on your agenda should be producing high-quality content that is published according to your site structure. Here are a few examples of content you can start with: homepage copy, blog posts, landing pages, infographics, social media content, product descriptions, custom images. Of course, the type of website you have will directly affect the type of content you create. Whether you sell physical products, digital services, or an affiliate, every website needs high-quality content. Don't make the mistake of treating content as secondary. It matters a lot. Number 5. Implement promotion and marketing strategies. The rule is simple: the more traffic your website gets, the more money you make. Naturally, ensuring high traffic is an essential part of making money from a website. You can experience two types of traffic: paid traffic and organic traffic. As the name suggests, the former involves a considerable upfront investment, while the latter is mostly free. Paid traffic is equal to short-term results. Paid traffic delivers quick results. Paid traffic is the results of ads you pay on search engines, social media platforms, Amazon ads, and any other location. Think of it like a faucet that gives you immediate exposure and visitors through search ads, social media ads, and traditional advertisements as soon as you turn it on. But when you turn it off, you'll see a significant decline in the numbers. It's also an added expense. Nevertheless, paid traffic is still an excellent option for those who want short-term results and want to reach their target audience faster. Organic traffic is equal to long-term results. Getting organic traffic is affordable but time-consuming, and it takes longer to see the results from it. Organic traffic strategies involve applying SEO best practices and creating top-notch original content that appeals to your target audience. You'll see a steady increase in your traffic and search rankings that can take months, sometimes even years. This traffic is generally more sustainable over time. Don't expect to see results overnight, and you won't be disappointed. There's no hard and fast rule that you have to choose between paid traffic and organic traffic. In fact, leveraging a good mix of paid traffic and organic traffic can give you better results. Here are the next steps. After choosing monetization strategies you feel will work best for your website, you should shift your focus on driving traffic and producing content. It's the only way to secure long-term success and a sustainable source of revenue. Remember, driving traffic to your website takes time and patience, so don't rush the process. Stick to your plan and the results will follow.